Craving an escape where turquoise waters whisper to golden shores, city lights paint the sky, and wild adventures beckon from ancient rocks? Then pack your hiking boots, your swimsuit, and your sense of wonder, because Perth, Australia, promises an unforgettable experience for every soul. Sink your toes into the soft sand of Cottesloe Beach, a postcard-perfect paradise where turquoise waters kiss the shore. Build sandcastles with your kids, surf crashing waves, or simply soak up the sun under a swaying palm. This sun-kissed oasis is your gateway to pure relaxation. For the adventurous, Kings Park beckons with a playground of possibilities. Hike through eucalyptus forests teeming with native birds, climb the DNA Helix Tower for panoramic views, or explore the Botanic Garden, a kaleidoscope of vibrant blooms and ancient baobabs. Feel the pulse of the wild heart beating beneath the city. Venture beyond the park and explore the vibrant heart of Perth. Shop for local treasures in bustling St. George Terrace, savor fresh seafood at Elizabeth Quay restaurants, and lose yourself in the energy of live music and street performers in Northbridge. Every corner buzzes with the city's infectious spirit. Delve into the depths of time at the Western Australian Museum, a treasure trove of Aboriginal artifacts, colonial relics, and natural wonders. Explore galleries showcasing dinosaur bones, ancient rock paintings, and captivating contemporary art. Discover hidden stories and fuel your curiosity. Feel the adrenaline pump at Kings Park Adventure Center, a sky-high playground offering zip lines, rope courses, and rock-climbing walls. Soar through the air, conquer your fears, and experience the thrill of pushing your limits. This urban adventure is sure to get your heart racing. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the Swan River in fiery hues, head to Elizabeth Quay for a magical sunset cruise. Glide through the tranquil waters, witness the city skyline bathed in golden light, and capture the moment in a photograph that will forever hold the magic of Perth. Indulge in a pampering spa treatment at one of the riverside hotels, letting expert hands soothe your muscles and melt away your cares. Choose from Aboriginal-inspired massages, revitalizing facials, or refreshing herbal wraps, and emerge feeling rejuvenated and ready for another day of exploration. For a taste of Perth's diverse nightlife, explore the buzzing bars and restaurants in Mount Lawley or Claremont. Sip on craft cocktails in rooftop bars, dance to the rhythm of live music in trendy pubs, and mingle with friendly locals in hidden speakeasies. Every night promises a new adventure. As twilight whispers its lullaby, find a cozy spot on Kings Park summit and gaze at the star-studded tapestry above. Let the twinkling constellations transport you to another world, a world where time melts away, and you're left with the gentle whisper of the wind and the sweet memory of Perth. From sun-kissed beaches to cultural encounters, from urban adventures to wild landscapes, Perth offers an unforgettable experience for every soul. Whether you seek relaxation, cultural immersion, or adrenaline-pumping thrills, this Western Australian gem promises to weave its magic around you, leaving you with a heart full of memories and a yearning to return. So pack your wanderlust, your sense of wonder, and your Australian spirit. Perth awaits, ready to whisper its secrets and paint your own outback adventure.